Here's a video of our 300-ton St. Lawrence machine 6714 running in auto mode. Go ahead. There's your rapid advance at approximately 160 inches per minute. It slows down and goes into pressing, which is approximately 20 inches a minute. It does have a dwell timer, which is currently set at 0. Max PSI is 2700. Go ahead. It has a linear transducer for position, two-hand operation. It has a yellow return button for emergency. Go ahead, hit the yellow button. Automatically returns the press anytime in the cycle. Max pressure is 2700 psi.